Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to go on this site www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website so you can download the Gigabyte any devices driver. After that you can see in the right hand side search icon. Just click on it. Radeon RX 7700 XT Gaming OC 12G and then hit enter. After that search your graphic card on this website and then click on the product. After that click on this name of the title. So this is your graphic card, you can see. Then click after that click on support. And select the operating system Windows 10 11, so both operating system installation process same. And be driver, and this is download icon. When you click to download, it will start downloading in the download box. After that you can see it is depend about your internet speed. After that click on three dot and then click on download. Then it is completed, then click on it. Open this icon to open where it is downloading. After that this one, right click and run as administrator, otherwise show more and run as administrator to click. Then click on yes. After that this is installing, it will take some time and it is completed all driver, then restart your system.